So this is where I'm at with repairing the water damaged MacBook Pro. I have the motherboard removed, and looking it over, it looks like there's no signs of corrosion or anything on it. As for the actual computer, it was still showing signs of life before taking it apart. For example, the caps lock light would still turn on and the trackpad would still vibrate when it was pressed. I'll start by replacing the display, and to do so, I first have to remove the 6 screws holding the hinges in place. Then remove all 16 screws from the antenna assembly. And 4 screws holding the display springs in place. I connected the motherboard to everything temporarily to see if it would work. Unfortunately, it doesn't. There's something else going on that's beyond my knowledge. I even have it hooked up to power, and I can confirm it is pulling power and going through. Oh, geez, that's hot. Where's my temperature gun? Yeah, 150-ish degrees Fahrenheit. No wonder that hurt. But long story short, with this computer, it seems like all I can do with it really is break it down for parts and use it to fix other ones in the future.